To fit the disposable dust bag to the machine, follow these simple steps. Unclip the latches and remove the lid. Push the disposable paper dust bag over the inlet on the lid. Replace the lid and secure it into place by locking the clips down. To clean or replace the filter, hold and turn anti-clockwise to unlock and lift to remove. To reinsert, place the filter onto the base and twist clockwise to secure. To clean or replace the harness, remove the 6 screws on the back, and it will release from the frame. To connect the hose to the handpiece on the machine, follow these steps. Screw the hose to the machine to secure it into place. Align the 2 buttons at the top of the hose with the handpiece and push until it connects. To fit the harness waistband, follow these steps. Slide the first piece through the loop on the bottom section of the harness and then push the metal clasp through the slot to secure into place. Repeat this method on the opposite side. Push the wand into the holder to secure to the machine. If you prefer the wand on the opposite side, unscrew the wand holder and fix into place on the other side. This machine requires 2 battery packs for operation. To install the battery packs to the vacuum unit, follow these steps. Ensure the vacuum unit power switch is in the off position. Align the guide rails on the battery holder and battery pack. Gently slide the batteries into place until you hear a click. The process is now complete and the machine is ready to operate. If you want to check the battery level during operation, you can press the blue button on the side of the battery pack. There are 4 green lights to indicate the battery is full. To remove the battery packs from the vacuum unit, follow these steps. Ensure vacuum unit power switch is in the off position. The batteries have blue release buttons at the top and bottom of the battery. To remove the battery packs from the machine, press both buttons simultaneously and pull away from the machine until they are released. Make sure you continue to hold the buttons in and slide the battery pack out of the machine.